What's up, guys? We got a 2024 Chevy Camaro. This car is hot right now for theft. We're in 2024, the first quarter. We're all over the country. They're stealing this car, along with the Dodge Charger and the Challenger. What we did, we added a shock sensor to the factory alarm. Whoever has this car, let's get this upgrade. This is a shock sensor added to the factory alarm, because what happens is anybody can break your window and jump in and clone another key and take off with your vehicle. They know that if they open the door, it's going to set off the alarm. That's the only way the factory alarms go off. If any door, hood, or trunk gets open, by adding the shock sensor, anytime they bust out that keyhole in the door, or they break your window, the alarm is going to set off. Car will go down. The car will go into a shutdown mode, and they won't be able to start it or clone another key. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window now. Sets off the factory alarm. We're auto alarm specialists based on here in Miami. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. 305-298-4814. Anybody who's in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Homestead, Pepper Pines, we come out to you. We get this installed in your car as quick as possible. If you're out of state, don't hesitate to give us a call. We can guide you how to get this installed as soon as possible. We thank you for watching this video.